is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bounce on your feet. C is for cat with a whisker so fine. D is for dog, the best friend of mine. E is for egg in a nest up high. F is for fish swimming by. G is for garage where cars go vroom. H is for hamster inside his room. Yeah! I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jump, watch me go. K is for kangaroo, hop hop hooray. L is for lion, king of the day. M is for money, shiny and round. N is for nest, safe on the ground. O is for octopus, arms all curled. P is for penguin in a cold, cold world. Q is for quarter, heads or tails. R is for rainbow after the gale. S is for soap, scrubbing clean. T is for tunnel, dark in between. Yeah, U is for umbrella when raindrops fall. V is for violin, playing for all. W is for watermelon, big and red. X is for x-ray, bones in your head. Y is for yarn that kitties unwind. Z is for zebra with stripes aligned. Now